What's going on, guys? Nick here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Bedford, Texas. Got a really nice 2015 Harley Davidson Dyna lowrider with me today. I want to go ahead and point out the only cosmetic flaw that I found on the bike, and that is right back here on the rear fenders. A little paint chip. It's been touched up, so it's not real noticeable. Everything else looked real clean. It's got low miles, 103-inch fuel-injected twin-cam, 6-speed transmission. It's got kind of a mid-control, forward control setup, probably more forward. Vivid black, red pinstripe, dual disc brakes. All the tires, both front and rear, in great shape, plenty of good tread left. It is one of our certified pre-owned motorcycles, so it's been through our 32-point pre-delivery inspection. We test rode it and made sure everything was working correctly, and then we gave it a professional detail. It's got the passenger backrest, chrome belt cover. It's got the dual stacked gauges, and this one's got the adjustable risers, which is pretty cool. You can kind of pull the bars back. There's a couple of adjustments you can make. All right, so we got 3,718 miles. No problems with the bike. Everything works like it should. If you'd like to know more about it, pick up the phone and call us at 888-400-1151. You can also check out our website at cleanharleys.com. Got a full set of detailed pictures, and you can see the rest of our inventory. We do offer financing and warranty options. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes worldwide. This is Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Bedford, Texas. The freedom to choose.